welcome to Snug Harbor Crafts. Keph and I are not going to be able to do our regular video tonight because she has to stay super late, like 9 p.m. And so I was lucky and received my box from Couture for all of the new Christmas stuff. So I thought that it would be fun to do an unboxing with you. Now I'm hoping that I'll get it on my Archon stand correctly so that you see it the way it's supposed to be. So I may have to fuss with this a little bit as I put it on my stand, but I wanted you to see, I literally haven't looked in the box. So this will be I did have to undo the tape, but I haven't looked. But I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are excited. It won't be super long, but it will just give you an idea of some of the new stuff for Christmas. I think I just got Christmas. I might have gotten maybe a Thanksgiving thing or two, okay? So I'm gonna turn the camera around again. Okay, here we go. We're gonna open the box. We're gonna see what's inside. Oh my gosh, lots of bubbles. Okay, let's throw those bubbles out. These are the new, they're ornaments. They're called mini ornaments and mini tags. And I love them. I can see darling things being put on them, but I can't open them. So instead of doing that, I'm going to show you. So these are the ornaments, so cute, and then tags. And then there was a mini ornament silk screen that goes on top of these. It was really cute. So there's those. I got 2 sets of the mini ornaments, and I got 1 set of the tags. But I think since then I've sent away for more of the tags. Okay, let's look. Underneath here are all the silk screens. Let's look really fast. Okay, these are the small Christmas, which I thought might look cute on the ornaments as well. They weren't meant for the ornaments, but wouldn't they be cute on some of that hope and the star and that little tree down there would be cute. Okay, it's called Warm Wishes. I should get my glasses on, but I don't have them right here. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is an old one. This was from the vault. And it cracks me up that it says, wicked chickens lay deviled eggs. I've always loved that, and I got the opportunity to get it again, so I bought it. I just think that's hilarious. Okay, the next one, I love this one. So cute. Ice skates. Is that so fun? All day rental, fun for the whole family. This would be cute to put up, to make even for to put up in January. That would be a cute one. And this is, this is your 8.5 by 11, so it's not giant. Let's see what this is an older one too. It's called Be Humble and Kind. I've got to put my glasses on so I can read these better, you guys. I really wanted, because I have the other bee stuff. I wanted to have this one because I love Humble and Kind. I love that bee. I love the honeycomb. So that's a fun one. Again, that was an old one that I got from the vault. Got 2 of these just in case. And I'm thinking that maybe some of the people at our retreat might want to use one of these to make a chalk thing. Oh, this is a good one. This is Christmas Tree Farm. It's kind of a take on the truck. I thought altogether, I think that will be a fun one chalked up. I really like that one. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is one of my favorites. I want to put it on one of the new Odette boards. So we've got like North Pole Boulevard, Jingle Bell Way, and Reindeer Lane. I'm telling you, I think this is cute. This is will be a fun thing for the long, skinny Odette board. This is the countdown this year. So you've got your ornament right there, and then your countdown, your days till Christmas, and I think it's really cute. I can't wait to chalk that one up. And you could change this in the center, or you could use a chalkable chip and change that so that when you chalk it up, that would be easy to change. Kind of fun. This one is the one that is specifically for those mini ornaments, you guys. And it is pretty. I love these at the top. I just think those are so pretty. Let me see if I can get so you don't have a glare. Look at those. And I love these. I don't know how I feel about the penguin and the fox. Is it a fox? Yeah. But I think that's kind of fun to be able to do on those mini ornaments. There you go. That's the one that goes with it. I got Santa's Workshop just because I love Santa's Workshop. I feel like I have Santa's Workshop here at my house. And that's a cute little Merry Christmas. Just a simple with the star. And I like the dots. You never know when you might use that for some other reason. Okay, you guys. This is the big, I like to call it subway art. And tell me if you think, I think this might be kind of fun in all different Christmas colors. It's a big one. It would be a big one. There's another one that I'll show you in a minute, but this might be a fun big one too for if it's done in the right colors, I feel like. So that's a large one. That's a big one. This one I hope is the one I'm thinking, nope. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the new joy wreath. And you know, you could use the wreath without the joy for other times of the year. But I love that one. I think that's really, it's better if I just go like this. It's a real pretty one. There's lots of fun things that I'd like to see this one chalked up. I think that's really, really pretty. Okay, there's another one that should be about, oh, wouldn't that be pretty on a pillow, you guys? That would be kind of fun on a pillow. Here is, okay, this is an old one too. This is a, I've wanted this forever. It's called Sugar Cookies, and it's a giant one, and I have wanted it just for my kitchen. It would be fun to put it out at Valentine's. It would also be fun for the different motifs. I love the little hearts down there. I love the little swirls. I like there's like just the word sugar cookies. I like the recipe. I think that's kind of fun. And chalked up, people have chalked it up, and it's really cute. So this was from the vault as well. And it's a fun one. I probably should have gotten 2 of those. This I got because I thought this might be good other times other than Christmas. And it's just a treat. You could use it on a background for different things. You could also do this on a pillow. It's 18 by 18. And you could do it just on a, you could do it on a, what am I trying to think of what it's called? Not a chalkboard, but I guess I was thinking more like something that has like a, I can't think of what it is right now, you guys, but I think that's kind of fun just to have in general and to have those trees. Okay, hopefully this one, oh, this is the snow globe. I'm a sucker for snow globes. And so I think other things could be put inside of it. I love you to the North Pole and back. I love that. We've got a little deer right there. We've got some trees. We've got the snow, which could be used for other things as well. It's a fun one. I'm just a snow globe person. I like to make them on cards with shakers. And so that's kind of a fun one. I got that one. I've forgotten everything I got, you guys. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. This is from Silver White Winters That Melt into Spring. These are a few of my favorite things. That's what that's from, that song. But again, I guess you could actually do that for like January. And I also like, you could use the motifs of the snowflakes as well. You guys, it's cute. I think it's cute. I'd like to see that maybe in silver and some white. You could do glitter on it maybe. That would be fun. All right, what's this one? This one is beautiful. I love this one. I have got to do this one. It is a tree. Look at those fun different things. The little bird and the Mary and the candy cane. I love the little candles. I love Deck the Halls. I love all of it. I think the whole thing is just, it would work up really cute. Tell me if you think I'm wrong, but I think that one is going to be, and it's a big one too. Well, it's not huge, but it's bigger. but that could be really pretty in an entryway or by your tree. I like that a lot. I think that's really nice. Okay, this is the one. Okay, this is I think my favorite. I love it because it's the Twas the Night Before Christmas, and it could get crazy trying to chalk it in different colors, but I've seen it chalked pretty simply too, with just a couple colors, and I think it's darling. I think it's really a cute one. They outdid themselves on this one. I think it's really cute. Can you see that cute mouse right there? And then you could also use some of the words in other things like house, mouse, chimney, I don't know, not St. Nicholas. But anyway, for different things, sometimes you have to think you might use these words for other things to put maybe some different ideas together. But this is such a cute one. And it's going to take a minute to do it. It's going to take a minute, but I love that one. I probably should have gotten 2 of those. Okay, and then this is Santa and Santa's list. And it also, he can go with the one that I showed you before that says Santa's Workshop. And this is just kind of a fun one. It would be fun to do this and then either put your children's names or grandchildren's names. You know, you could change it from year to year. And I just thought that'd be a fun one to have up. I think that's just a cute kind of whimsical one that you could put up for Christmas. So is that the last one? Let's double check underneath here. Yep, that's it. All right, you guys, that is the unboxing. And I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled with all of them, and I think they are great. This is cute. Won't that be cute done up? I don't know. I think, and I've got to do those. I think this Wicked Chickens Lay Deviled Eggs is going to be so cute on like a kitchen towel. Is that funny? I think that would be really cute. And this skate one, I don't know. It's small, you guys, but it's kind of a fun one. I don't know. And again, maybe a January kind of a thing with some glitter on it and some silver. I don't know. It's going to be kind of fun. All right. I hope you liked the unboxing. Here are these again. I've already sent for more of these, and I've sent for quite a bit of chalk paste I felt like I needed, and I'm thrilled. Hope you guys liked it. If you would like to purchase any of this, you can go to Chalk Couture, to my Snug Harbor page, and we will link it below. And I hope you had a fun time watching as I took everything out of the box. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.